students. I hope you are all doing well and ready for today's English lesson. I am your English teacher, Alina Sarfraz, and today we are going to start our very first unit named A World of Adventures. So let's begin our today's lesson. Before starting our today's lecture, let's see the learning objectives of our lesson. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to read a text with understanding. You will be able to identify main ideas and key details in story, and you will encounter new vocabulary in context, and you will be able to use them properly in sentences. Before starting our unit, let's see who is the author of this novel. Michael Morpurgo is the author of novel Kensuke Kingdom. He is a famous British writer who writes stories for children. He has written more than 150 books. His books are about adventure, animals, friendship, and courage. His stories often teach us important lessons about kindness, bravery, and caring for nature. Students, today we are going to read a fictional adventurous story. It is a type of story in which characters go through exciting, risky और unusual experiences. बेसिकली जो हमने स्टोरी पढ़नी है स्टॉर्म एट सी वो केंसो के नावल से लिए गई है. आपको इधर पूरा नावल तो नहीं देंगे, जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्ट उन्होंने दिया है. सो मैं आपको इसका एक समरी दे रही हूँ नावल की. Kensuke Kingdom is about a boy named Michael who travels around the world with his parents on a boat. During this journey, something terrible happens. Michael falls into ocean during a storm and gets separated from his parents. He later wakes up on a mysterious island where he meets an old Japanese man named Kensuke. At first, Kensuke does not want Michael there, but slowly they become friends and help each other survive on the island. इस स्टोरी में डिफरेंट चीज़ें और डिफरेंट थीम्स जो हमें देखने को मिलेंगे वो सर्वाइवल, फ्रेंडशिप एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर नेचर है. केंसुके एक जापानीज मैन है जिसके नेम पर उसने माइकल ने ये नॉवल लिखा है. लेट्स मीट द इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस स्टोरी. माइकल, the main character of story, he is a young, curious and brave boy who travels around the world with his parents and he gets lost at sea and ends up on the island. Second one is Kensuke. Kensuke is an old Japanese man who lives alone on the island. He is the one who protects the island and its animals. Stella. Stella is the Michael's loyal dog. She travels with Michael on board. She is brave and protective and she stays with Michael during difficult times. Here is the short summary of chapters from the novel that we are going to read in this story. A powerful storm hits the boat at night. Michael goes on deck to look for his dog Stella. Suddenly, a huge wave crashes over the boat and Michael and Stella are thrown into the sea. Michael struggles to stay alive in the ocean while holding on to Stella, but after some time, he loses his consciousness in the water. Michael wakes up on a mysterious island. He slowly realizes he is safe but alone. Later, he discovered that someone else is living on the island, which leads to his first meeting with Kensuke. जो स्टोरी हमने बुक पे पढ़नी है उसमें केंसुके के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करवाया जाएगा, लेकिन वो सस्पेंस ना रहे और आपको समझ ना आए, इसलिए मैं केंसुके के बारे में भी अभी से आपको बता रही हूँ. Here in this slide, I have attached the picture of book page number 16 that you need to read and understand before solving the comprehension. You will encounter many new words in this story, so make sure to highlight them and memorize them with spellings. Here is the list of new words that you will read in your story. So I have already separated them. अब मैं इनको एक बार रीड करने जा रही हूँ. You also need to practice their pronunciation. Waves, fierce, fearsome, thunderous, din of rain, roared, pounding, worst, lashing, awestruck, vast, curling, tumbling, exploding, better, suck, typhoon, Witnessing. Students, after reading the story from your book, you need to solve these five comprehension questions in your notebook. First one is, when did the storm break out? Second, who was with Michael on the island? Third, how long did the storm last? Fourth, what did Michael have to eat? And the question number 5 is about creative writing. You need to show your creativity in it. What is the first thing you would do if you found yourself on a remote island? Explain your answer into 3 to 4 lines. Make sure to complete your home task in your notebooks. As students, you are going to do your work for the very first time with ink pen, so make sure to follow these guidelines while attempting your homework. You need to use your black pen for headings, homework sketch, and questions, and rest of all the work will be done with blue pen. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting adventure story. Make sure you complete your homework in your notebook. Thank you for watching the lesson. Goodbye, everyone.